Alright, this video is just on how to install a ladder hook. This is ladder hook so you can hook your ladder onto a pitched roof. Has a little hook right there, and this is just me installing this ladder hook. The wheels are so you could get your ladder to slide up and down. So anyways, it's a pretty simple install. You just have to put this right there. I've already installed one, but anyways, just put this U-bolt here, put your washer in, and then get the screw, and then put the screw in. I think this is just a great way to get your ladder on a sloped roof, and so therefore you could have extra support and hook this to the top of your roof without having to fall. And that's what this is used for. Anyway, the other two is a little different install, and I'll tighten those in a bit. You put them in this way. You're gonna place these across like that. So you're gonna place these across like so. Okay, I'm gonna do one at a time. Get your washer, put your washer in, and then put your screw in. Same thing on the other side. Put that in. Put the washer in. Hold down place. Put the screw in. Okay, that's how you put that one. Same thing on this side. You get that in. Put the washer in. And put the screw in. And these are lock nuts, so they're very hard to screw in. So I have tools to help me do that. Put that in. Put the washer in. And put the screw in. So that's how this holds this in place. Alright. Well, this will be, I'll get you guys another video how I actually go up with these. Just to help me get them at least faster so I don't have to try and do all that. There we go. That's not tight yet. I still have to use a hand tighten all the screws in. But really, that, and then I'll tighten it. Now I'm just showing you the rest of the ladder. This is the ladder. I'm putting it on the top rung. I won't suggest you if there's multiple people using this, because I can only use this top portion here. Now you see this ladder has a bottom portion. I taped that blue to remind me, do not even step on those or do not even use that bottom part when I'm on the roof. I just quickly zip tied those together so it doesn't really move. But anyways, my entire weight and my entire usage will only be on this top portion. I would take off the bottom portion or separate this if I could, but the way this is made, I cannot separate the bottom portion. So a warning to you guys using these roof ladder hooks is if you're able to separate the top portion and bottom portion, always recommend that. But because I can't separate this particular ladder, I'm only using the top portion, and that's all I'm using to get onto the roof. That's where all my weight will be. That's where all my footing will be. And that's just a big warning. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and tighten this up, and I'll show you guys on the next video what it looks like on my roof.